Hello guys, this day is the International Day of the African Child, and in Nnewi Anambra State, it was celebrated in a very special way. The National Association of Proprietors of Private Schools in Nnewi Anambra State hosted the event in Igwe Nnewi Palace in collaboration with Nnewi Museum. So they hosted it in a very special way. They gave the children very special experiences. First of all, the children, the students, toured around Nnewi Museum. They toured around, they learned about the history of Nnewi and Igboland through the artifacts and artworks in Nnewi Museum, after which they now moved to the palace where the event proper happened. So join in this video and see how the children learned a whole lot of things about their culture, who they are in Nnewi Museum on this very day of International Day of the African Child. Stay tuned and you'll be so glad that today the parents, teachers, the young people of this day are doing a whole lot to teach our children our history, our culture, our values. This is so beautiful to see.
And the walls too. Please keep your hands to yourself.
He was a same man who industrialized and had his company. In fact, he also had a particular street called converged. It is sculpted work of art. Please follow the This is an artist, a buffalo. It was also a gift to the Igbo by the welfare organization. Excuse me. So we are going on to like the topmost industry here in the US. Not wrong. This, the first Igbo root, the Igbo root one, also called Nnewi Anambra. It's like he was the first Igbo man. Do not touch anything. He was the first Igbo man to own and ride a car. So in Igboland. So he was also a very influential chief during his time. So during his reign that the British came into Nnewi and he made peace with them and they helped in the Chief Innocent Chukwuma. This is the chairman of Igwe Nnewi, Dr. Cletus Igwe. Then here we have Honorable which was one of the drug donors to the museum. Please, Honorable Justice Chukwuma, he was once the chief judge of Anambra State. This is August Martin. Installation as the chairman of the Traditional Rulers Council, and these are all other traditional rulers from different communities in Anambra State. And this part we are heading to, your hands should be behind your back too. Behind your back. Once I see you, come inside gradually, do not push anywhere.
Go towards this side. Go towards that side.
It's called the walking stick used by babies in masculine. This is a lion carved wood. It's from Amriba here in Igboland. This is a princess of Okobo Kingdom. This is a prince from Ife. Here is Yoruba. Please go back. Go back. These are the masquerade. It's from Calabar. These are the Cerebrated. It's also from Aguata. Then this is the cow horn. It's from Okedi. Here we have the royalty from Igbo State. Yeah, this is called Madison. It's a coconut hair that is crafted into a small piece. These are set of afro clothes that are used by our mothers back then to braid their hair. This is an adult box. These are adult box. They are used in putting their pendants, jewelries, and their bangles. This is a manual brush. This one is from Nnewi State, right from our way. is from Igboland State. This is a young dancer from Akwa Ibom.
Don't touch anything. You become one of our artifacts.
Then these are mirrors. These mirrors we are using in palace by Igwe Nnewi Museum. Then here we have the black and white TV. Now also in Igwe Nnewi Museum. I only show black and white pictures. I only show black and white pictures, not like the way has one and color TV. Then this is the royal chapel for the also in Igwe. Ashes inside for sawdust and lighting and clothes. This is Igwe. How many of you have seen Igwe? It is there. Storage, so build bridges and so many other things they brought in. These are also some of their working tools. This is a colonial bag, you can see the leather, how strong it is. This is a gas lamp. It was used by the foremost dimensions in society back then. These are bells that are used to wake up workers back then and also to wake up students. Then on this part, we have museum admin and curator. So I'm going to take you on a tour around the museum. You are going to see several artifacts and artworks as you can see here. This is our art gallery room. You can see several artworks here from different artists. So you are going to comport yourself, keep your hands to yourself. You don't have to touch anything. Are you paying attention? Yes. You do not have to touch anything. Your hands behind your back, everybody. Your hands behind your back.
Take it slow, take it slowly. Don't push anybody.
Nnewi and Igbo Bishop of the day. Here we have Cerebrated. The third bishop, he is Dr. Wako, who is the first next president and acting president of Nigeria for 3 months. This is Chief Doctor of the day. This is Salusile of Nnewi indigenous men that during their lifetime they added value to their wealth, their philanthropy, and so many levels. They helped in the growth of Nnewi. This Chief Augustine Ejike Nnewi, he is the chairman and the CEO of Cerebrated. And to this part, we have the soldiers of Igwe which is Igwe Nnewi Anambra. Like I said, he was the most influential chief in Igbo during his time. You can see his soldiers, look at their spears and their cutlasses, which they used then during the war or acquiring lands or even peacekeeping missions. Do you understand? On this part, this is a group photograph of the governor of Anambra State as of then, which was 2005. Dr. This was a traditional. This one is prepared to people of Igboland. Why this is prepared to people of Igboland? This is also a walking stick used by the masquerade called Igwe. Then here we have a lion carved wood. It's from America here in Igboland. This is a princess of the Igbo kingdom. Here is a prince. It's from Europe. This is an Igbo masquerade. It's from Calabar. Then this is an Oti Igbo. It's called Oti Igbo. These were used by our grandmothers to part hairs and braid. This is a hunter from Benue State. This is a coconut head that is carved into a face. These are combs that are used to part heads in braid during our grandmother's time. These are artificial combs that are used in putting jewelry, all these ornaments you are wearing now. You can see them with spears and cutlasses. Then here is a good photograph of the governor.
Has someone's face. Don't go closer there. See it here. Don't come closer.
These are manual brushes. You can see them. They are used to dusting thatch houses. This is a drama boy. He's from Benin. This is also a Benin mask. This is the king's mother. He's from Lagos, from the Oba of Lagos. This is ceremonial gear from Nnewi and Igbo. This is one of the deities of Nnewi. It's called Nnewi. Nnewi have like 5 deities. Then this is an African elephant from Tanzania. These are Apia.
You are fortunate. The evidence people are smart. Say cheese again.
Okay. Ghana.